All right, give it to us.
So you know what? I meet a lot of people in my life, and when they talk about anything they want to do, whether it's business, whether it's singing, whether it's sport, or whatever they want to do that can improve their lives, the first thing they would say to me when they open their mouths is what they want to do, and the second thing is why they're not doing it. Why they're not doing it.
Right, the excuse.
They give you the excuses and they give you the obstacles. They don't give you the reason of why they should be doing it. They lack that courage. People don't have the courage to believe that they can be great, they can be rich, they can be better, they can be something, that they can change the world. You know, I'm going to make you 3 examples for people to know that, listen, don't let nobody put you in a box, man. Don't let nobody put you in a box. And that is the problem that most people are sitting with. You sit here and you can't see yourself being great. You can't see yourself being rich. You can't see yourself giving people jobs. You only see yourself applying for a job, but you can't see past that. You can't see past the fact that, you know what, that you can provide jobs to people instead of looking for a job. I'll make you an example of a very good friend of mine. There's a guy called Ashwin. You know what? He was a gangster. He was a young American, and he used to tell people, I'm going to become a rugby player. And most people would say they would want to be rugby players in Cape Town, but he had the courage. And I'm telling you, he left gangsterism behind because he saw himself as great. And listen, man, he became the top rugby player in the world. Rugby changed his world. Even his new book is called Rugby Changed My World. And that's what I want to share to people out here. Look around you, man. Nigerians come here with nothing. Somalians come here with nothing. Zimbabweans come here with nothing, man. And you sit here and you complain about them. Listen, imitate those niggas. Learn from those guys. Steal with your eyes. Steal with your ears. Ask them questions. How did you do this? And I want to say to everybody that's listening that, you know what? Don't be scared to see yourself as great. Don't listen to people that's not even great telling you you're not going to be great. What do they know about greatness if they themselves are not great? Leave other people's lives alone and concentrate on your life. I see failures calling me a failure. I see a person who has a quarter life complaining about my life that I'm trying to make full. I'm saying to you today, be the best that you can be. Believe that you can be anything that you want to be. Look at me, man. I come from jail, man. I got the worst criminal record ever. But you know what? I didn't let that stop me, man. That's my past. I looked at my future. And look at me today, man. I'm balling. And I'm not going to make an excuse. And let people mustn't tell you that, you know what? He thinks he's better. Of course I'm better. I know I'm better. I know what I was. I know what I'm now. Of course I'm better. Compare what I was and what I am now. I'm out of here. I'm better.
Hey, I just love
the... Hey guys, you know, sometimes, you know, I'm laughing, yeah, I'm laughing. You know, guys, to be honest with you, South Africans are generally lazy. Guys, I want to be honest with you. South Africans are generally lazy. Ish. I don't know, what is this? What's happening to our nation? Why are people suffering? Why are we suffering? Why is Africans suffering? Guys, let me tell you something. Stop looking for a job. You know what? Yes, it's good to look for a job from the beginning, but as you grow older, you know, when a white person goes to school, you know what they do? They don't go to school and say, I'm learning, I'm going to school, I want to be educated, and after, I want to work. No, they go to school and they tell themselves, I want to start a business. The thing is about our education is that we have a bad situation in South Africa whereby not only in South Africa, I think in Africa as well, some other parts of Africa. You know, South Africa as a whole is part of Africa. But we've been given something called Bantu education. You've been taught one thing. Go to school, get educated. After finishing school, look for a job, work, get paid, then die. I'm going to repeat this again. That's what we do. Go to school, finish school, get a job, get paid, then die. Nothing that you are going to achieve in life, because that education that is called Bantu education, they put it in your mindset to teach you to understand one thing, that in order for you to be successful, you need to do what? You need to work. Go to school, get paid. Sorry, go to school, get educated. After being educated, go to work, and after getting work, the job, get paid, then die. They don't teach you how to start a business. They don't teach you how to manage your lives. You understand? Guys, let me tell you something. You know, I've learned, you know, I did not even go to, you know, I didn't go do computer courses. You know, I taught myself on how to fix computers. I taught myself how to build a computer from the scratch. I know, by just a virtue of reading too much. I love reading. I used to love reading too much. Hey guys, when was the last time you took a book and you sat down, you said, I want to read, I want to learn something about life? These days you've got smartphones. But what do you do with your smartphone? Some of you guys, you've got the decency of going to Facebook, internet, you go watch porn. What is this porn you're gonna gain? What are you gonna gain out of that porn? Some of you, you know, guys, listen to me. Be careful. Be careful. Check the type of friends you are involved with. There are friends out there who does not want to see anybody successful. You know, the minute you start being successful in your life, they start running away from you. You know how a friend is like? A friend is like this. When you keep on going to them, keep on asking for favors, they love you so much. Because you know why? They want to be the one always on top of you. But the minute you start changing your life, you start being successful, your life changes and everything, start having money and so forth, they run away from you. You know why? They tell themselves, they actually speak amongst themselves. There's one thing that they're going to do. It's either they're going, in order for them to keep you, you must be able to offer something. How you understand? You are a dog if you don't cough out money. They'll ask you for favors. If you cannot give them what they are looking for, then they start hating you. Why? Because remember now, these days, it's all about benefits. A person comes to you not because of they cherish your partnership, they cherish your friendship, they cherish you being with them. They are with you because they want to benefit. If they cannot benefit anything from you, you must forget. You are worthless in their lives. So guys, let me just say to you, now I've started my business with nothing, guys. You know, with nothing. I didn't have a cent. I started my business. Listen to me, guys. You know, right now, I put myself on a map where I know I won't sleep hungry. You know, I'm able to travel around all over the world. I'm able to go with my family. You see, next June, I'm taking a cruise ship. I'm going to Marseille in France. Yeah, I'm leaving. Yeah, I'm leaving. You know, I'll be on a cruise ship. So what I'm trying to say, these things doesn't come cheap. But listen to me. Do you think if I was working, I would be able to manage this? I would be able to achieve and do whatever that I'm doing?